The gaming world is buzzing because Sony may be gearing up for a dramatic return to the handheld market, and not just with any portable device. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of latest tech and gaming news. Rumored under the codename Canis, this potential PS6 handheld is said to be a dockable powerhouse that could outperform the PlayStation 5 when plugged into a TV. Yes, you heard that right. The leak originates from the YouTube channel Moore's Law is Dead, claims to be based on internal AMD documentation, hinting that Sony's cooking up something truly disruptive. If true, Canis won't just compete, it could redefine what handheld gaming means. Think a Nintendo Switch portability, but with PS6 level ambitions. Cool, right? But not only this, reports suggest the device will run on a custom AMD APU featuring Zen 6 architecture and next-gen RDNA 5 graphics. In docked mode, it'll boast ray tracing speeds more than double that of the PS5, while remaining backward compatible with PS4 and PS5 games. And with a rumored price tag of $500, Sony could be positioning Canis as the perfect bridge between casual mobile play and hardcore console performance. The Canis is reportedly set to be launched in late 2027 alongside the PS6. This could mark Sony's first true handheld comeback since the PS Vita, and if these specs hold up, it might be the handheld that finally cracks the code on high-end hybrid gaming. Are you excited about the Canis coming out? Tell us in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe to GadInsider. Press the bell icon for more updates for the gaming world.